Good morning all. I'm Deepak Shukla and today I'm taking one another topic from my personal development series, and the topic is time management. What it is? It is the ability to use one's time effectively and productively, especially at work. But do you know that we are working all the time? We are never idle. We never sit idle. Means our thoughts keep on working, and thoughts are energy. Already we have seen in our previous videos. Generally, we talk about time management and we refer to business leaders, politicians, students, teachers, writers, working professionals. But in fact, time management should be done by all, whosoever, whatsoever. As time management is the coordination of tasks and activities to maximize the effectiveness of an individual's effort, and it is applicable everywhere. The purpose of time management is enabling people to get more and better work done in less time, which is applicable in personal life as well as professional life, that is at home as well as in external world, the professional world. The time management skills generally which has been put forward by many are organization, means staying organized, that can help one maintain a clear picture of what one can complete in the defined time, the given time, and when one can do. Prioritization of work, assuming each of the responsibilities assigned, to you, your team members, and the group with whom you are working. Goal setting is another beautiful aspect. Dividing the goal in many objectives will help. I'll just let you know just after a few points how these objectives help in achieving your final goal. And communication is another aspect. Planning, the very first and the very main thing which has to be thought about. Delegation of work, stress management. Now I'll just take this goal setting where through various objectives, different objectives, we try to achieve our goal. What happens, like suppose we take one objective and it is the part of that goal which we are going to achieve, and some objectives we talked about, which means a shorter goal means on daily basis, weekly basis, sort of monthly basis, I'll keep on doing and finally I'll achieve the main goal. So what happens when I go for my first goal, I do something related to the main goal. The next objective when I go for, that is also related to the previous one. It's a kind of process going on from first objective to the next to the third, logically related, pointing to the main goal. Now what happens during various goals, the series of goals which I am going through, our mind, the mind has got enough power to just realize the things in which direction we are moving. So even if after some point, after 5 objectives, 6 objectives, or some objectives which we have done, mind will automatically direct to move towards the goal and get it completed. So this is one thing, it is good. We will see later how the things move forward. And whatever we have just talked about, efficiency and effectiveness is required to execute these tasks. So if we talk about efficiency, what does the word efficiency means? Efficiency means doing things right, and effectivity is doing the right things. This is the thing. So it has to be seen with reference to the task I am undergoing, the thing which I am doing, the project I am into. And what happens, any process we talk about and the time assigned, some task or job in hand is there, we have to see that. And you just see what happens if the same task is assigned to two different persons, then one is successful, one is not successful. What does it mean? Why it happens? We say that he has done the job so successfully and the other is not able to do. Why? What does it mean? What is the meaning? What is the reason behind this? Now one thing just keep in your mind, whosoever, we all extraordinary, we all can be successful. What happens? Try to understand. We need energy to do something, and the source of energy exists everywhere, the cosmic energy, it is everywhere for us. And when the challenges, means related to the task, job, that project, when the challenges which I'm supposed to meet is more than my skills, then some difficulty arises. And when my skills are more and challenges are less, then it becomes easy. It becomes easy. And when it equivalent, both are equal, then flow of energy. Flow of energy is in any case, it is in any case flow of energy, but the challenges are less compared to skills, challenges are more compared to skills, challenges are equivalent to the skills. But when challenges are equivalent to the skills, then flow of energy is good. And when challenges are less than our skills, means I have more skills, then what happens? Flow of energy is still there, more. Now, the thing is, it means what we can make out from here, so that we can manage our time efficiently and effectively, that we should keep on adding our skills, okay, from time to time. And what happens in personal life, we provide services, in professional life also we provide services. This has to be taken care of. It helps a lot. Cosmic energy, which I told, is present everywhere, and when we take care of this, means consciously when we do something and we think that we are united with the cosmic energy, then synergetic effect comes into play. The role we play is a kind of synergistic effect where we are able to achieve the task in a very beautiful manner. And this cosmic energy, what we talk about, is one's own self and living in the present moment. We have heard always that God is omnipresent. We don't talk about some sort of God is omnipast or omnifuture. God is omnipresent. So this cosmic energy is here. So we have to utilize this present moment and the energy available, and how this energy is helping, we have to see that. So this transfer and transformation of energy are associated with the performance of work. You see, the head of the solar system, our solar system, the head, the sun, performs work in heating the earth by its radiation, and the glacier performs work in moving sediments downslope using the kinetic energy of ice, water and rock, and like this some job is done, river is formed, time management is there, some invisible force is doing. Besides, we can see in this manner, we are part of a larger system. Think of universal system, the larger system, we are part of that. Okay, it happens sometimes. Okay, so of course I am not able to do. Of course, I told you that skills and challenges that we have to take care, accordingly we have to work. Some action should be taken to add on skills. It has to be there. We have to do our necessary required job and add on skills. We should have. Now, suppose in some case, due to some reasons, we think that some demotivation is coming, then think from the higher end. What is that higher end? See, we are the part, means a very tiny particle in that form of particle of that solar system, and everything is perfectly placed. If that system is perfect, then we are also perfect, and we can achieve our task in such a beautiful manner. Just try to do that. Let us understand now. We are talking about time management. So management word, it's okay, managing in such beautiful ways, through so many ways, planning, directing, coordinating. It is there. Let us understand time. What is time? Still I'm speaking. We are listening. And we are planning, organizing, something we are doing. Still we are talking about I'll manage this. But time is moving. And we talk about time management. So first thing, what is this time? Generally, just try to understand the standard way we talk about what the standard time is calculated in terms of the movement of the sun, okay, and the head of the solar system, our solar family. Okay. Now, what happens? Time management we are talking about with reference to some task, some project, some work to be achieved, some results to be achieved, some goal to be achieved. What happens? What I want here? I want to manifest something, execute something, demonstrate something. The quality of feeling of my act or appearance means what we want to demonstrate by a quality of feeling of our act or appearance. The estimate of, and this here, the estimate of time is a projection of the time and our efforts required to complete the task, project, activity, etc. So this time, when we talk about this time which is moving, still it is going on, moving, it is moving. So, and one thing try to understand, it is the potency of the invisible part of the infinite. Potency means the power of something to influence or make an impression. So when I just relate with reference to an example, when I talk about business meeting, there I want to influence somebody. When I give a presentation, I want to influence the audience. When I talk about cooking, okay, so there, what does it come? Some types of impression I want to create through my beauty of cooking or teaching, and okay, and the source quality of source that is being maintained. That is the thing. So what it is? Time is the potency of the invisible part of the infinite, the supreme controller potency, and it is available everywhere. He is available everywhere, the cosmic power. God is omnipresent. So it is the power of something to influence and make an impression. This in the time, our projection that we can do any moment, anyone can do. We all are extraordinary. We all can achieve whatever we want in our life. For others also. That also can be done. Okay. So, and the methods to follow here, we have to follow how to do these things. Okay. Dedicate your work or task to the supreme controller. Okay. Be in communion with him while you work, play, sleep, talking, watching TV, whatever. Do that. But be in communion with the supreme. Surrender him. Keep the objectives to be achieved as the highest one. Means whatever I am doing today, I am doing, it's a great for me. Then slowly we will move towards that. It's for very small, even if for very small jobs, you think according to you, whatever you think, no problem. But keep your mind that thinking towards that highest part of the universe. Provide services to others. Start at home, do that at home. It will help. You will be able to manage the things slowly. Never sit idle, because you are not idle, you are thinking, you are doing something. Develop your consciousness by uniting with all. Sit in meditation, unite with all. Meditate, develop insight for the work, the project you are going to work on, the work process. You have to follow, you have to direct somebody, you have to plan that. What you do? Develop insight for that. Insight means go deep into details. Develop your daily, weekly, monthly checklist with special emphasis on self-development by uniting with the Lord, the Supreme. It will help. Because, please try to understand once again, the thing which I am executing right now, doing right now, it is His power which I am doing. Thank you.